and welcome to Yummy Bodywear's Yummy Fit series. I'm Dana Eisenstein-Smythe, and I will be taking you through a Pilates bikini ab workout. Let's get started, Camille. Let's find yourself in the center of the mat, roll yourself back, and lie down. The first exercise we'll go into today is called the 100. So let's hug your knees into your chest, lift your head, neck, and your shoulders, and as you stretch your arms long, reach your legs out to a high diagonal. And let's start pumping the arms up and down vigorously. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Really scoop out the abs. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on 40, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in. Nice job. Exhale. Good, Camille. Pump in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. And breathing in for 5. And a strong exhale. Again, in. 2, 3, 4, 5. And deepen those abs in and up. One more breath. In. And exhale all the air out. And just pause there for a moment. Stretch the arms a little longer. Deepen that scoop. And then hug the knees in and rest the head, neck, and shoulders. Nice job. Let's hold right underneath the knees. Rock yourself up to sit, and we'll go right into the half roll down. So plant your feet onto the mat and draw the knees and the feet together, and your elbows will lift. Let the chin come to the chest. Find a nice C curve with your spine. Start to roll back, and then pause there for a moment. Deepen those abdominals a little more, and then start to roll up with control. Nice job. Let's take a breath in here. And as you exhale, really roll back. Exhale, really tuck the tailbone under. Notice how she's opening up her lower back because her abdominals are so scooped. And then exhale as you round forward. Let's just go for one more here. We'll do 3. Inhale. Exhale, roll back with control. Really deepen those abdominals. Inhale there. Exhale, roll all the way up. From this position, let's stretch the legs and reach the arms forward. And with control, roll yourself back down into the mat. Keep the arms lifted for the roll up. Let's flex the feet and then reach the arms back to a high diagonal. Inhale, lift the arms and head. Exhale, roll up, round the spine forward. Really stretch through the arms, but pull the abs back. And then roll down under each vertebra into the mat, and then the arms will reach back. Beautiful. Inhale, let's roll up. Exhale, empty the lungs, really stretch and reach and roll back with control. We're massaging the spine and your arms will go back. Inhale, up. Exhale and reach forward. Energy reaches through the legs and roll down with control. Let's pick up the tempo. Let's inhale, roll up, exhale and reach. And roll yourself down with control. Again, up. Exhale, really scoop out the abs and roll back. Let's just go for one more here. Let's roll up, exhale, over, and roll back and lower down. From this position, let's just hug the knees into the chest, and we're going to go right into the Pilates ab series. Let's lift your head, neck, and your shoulders for single leg stretch, and stay there for a moment. Really deepen those abdominals and change legs. Pause there. Pull the abs in and up, and change, and change, and change. Good, Camille. Let's challenge it. Let's add the breath. Let's inhale for 2 legs and exhale for 2 legs. Good. Breathing in for 2. Exhale out for 2. Notice how when she rolls up, she's right at the tips of the shoulder blades. So her abdominal wall is really anchored into the mat. Last 4 here, and 3, and 2, and 1. Let's hug both knees in. Let's keep the head lifted for double leg stretch. Let's inhale. Stretch the arms to 45, legs to 45. Circle the arms around. Exhale. Give it a hug. Inhale and stretch. Notice how she scooped in and up. Circle and hug. Inhale. Stretch it long. Lengthen. And pull it in. One more for precision. Reach it out. And hug it in. Let's flow. It's out. Deepen and hug. And reach. Good, Camille. Scoop and hug. 3 more. Reach and pull. Last 2. And in last time. And let's hug it in. We go right into scissors. Draw the right leg into the chest. Pause there for a moment. If you want to challenge it, slide the hands up to the ankle. Pull it towards you twice. Pull, pull, switch legs. Pull, pull, and switch. And pull, pull. Notice how her wingtips are still anchored on the mat. No movement in the pelvis. Powerhouse has a strong connection. Let's challenge it, Camille. Let's reach your arms nice and long by your side. Reach and pull, pull, and pull, pull, and in, in. Now I see a smile. Last 3 and 2. And bend your knees and rest your neck just for a moment. for lower lift. Let's place both hands behind the head. Lift the head and shoulders and draw the legs up to the ceiling. We lower the legs here for 3 and 2. 1, scoop and lift. Again, lower. As she lowers her legs, her abs deepen and up. One more with this rhythm. Lift the legs, pause. Let's reverse that. Lower the legs 45. 3 counts, we go up. 2, 3. Abs deepen to lower. Good. And up. 2, 3. Just one more. And lift. 2, 3. Let's tabletop the legs. And just keep the legs at a tabletop today for crisscross. Let's twist over to one side. Stay there for a moment. Find a strong hug of those inner thighs. And let's twist a little bit deeper. Let's inhale, roll up. Exhale, ring out the powerhouse. Inhale, up. Exhale, big twist. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, twist. One more. Hold it here. Let's stay there and let's challenge it. Let's stretch out the opposite leg and let's flow. Let's change and change and change and change. Really scoop out the abs. Let's go for 3 and 2. Let's twist away from me and stay there for a moment. Really deep and deep and deep in the shape. Let's pulse it out here for 5. Exhale, 4 and 3. Good. 2, 1. Twist to me, Camille. Pulse it out for 5. Use your breath. Exhale for 3 and 2. Let's go back to the right. Come on, 4 pulses. 4 and 3 and 2. 4 to the left. Challenge it. 4. Exhale. 3, 2. Let's do 3 to the right. Let's pulse it. 3 and 2. 3 to the left. Pulse it. 3 and 2. Is it burning? 2 to the right. 1, 2 to the left. 1. Single it out, we go for 4 and 3 and 2. 1, hug your knees and rest your head. Good job. Let's stretch those legs out and let's do the full roll up to come all the way up. Let's lift the arms through the head. Exhale, use your breath and stretch the spine forward. Let's go into spine stretch forward. We just did all of that challenging work. Let's stretch it out. From here, let's place the heels of the feet into the center of the moon boxes and stretch the arms forward. Let's inhale and lift the side bodies tall and exhale, round forward. Really stretch, scoop out the abs. Inhale, stack it up and lift. Exhale, round forward and reach, reach, reach. Inhale, up. And exhale, exhale, exhale. Let's do 2 more because it feels good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, stretch. Notice how she's not letting her abdominals just pop out. She has a strong connection. 1 more time. And exhale all the air out. Roll yourself up and then just reach the arms out to the side and we'll go right into saw so we get some twisting. Let's twist over to the right. Exhale as you reach forward, reaching the ear to knee. So as she stretches forward, the opposite arm and hip pull back. You get a nice oppositional stretch. Come up through the center, twist and exhale. Reach, reach and reach. Good. Inhale, up and twist. Abdominals pull back to me as you reach forward. Good. Inhale, up, twist, exhale, exhale, exhale. 1 more set, Camille. Inhale, up and twist. Exhale, empty the lungs. Last time, up, twist, and exhale, reach, reach, reach. Beautiful job. Let's set up for California rowing. Let's plant the feet into the mat and find that same half roll down position. So the hands will go right underneath the knees. Draw the legs completely together and roll back halfway, then pause there. Let's reach the arms forward but maintain that C curve. Rotate the hand palms up as if you're going to do a bicep curl. Let's bend the elbows and exhale, reach it out. Again, bend. We're just going to do 3 in each position, but if you want to challenge it, go up to 10 or maybe even add some weights. From here, reach the backs of the hands together. Now from Camille reaching forward, notice how she's pulling back in the abs. Let's bend the elbows wide. Exhale, reach. Again, it's in and stretch. Good. 1 more. And hold it out there. Press the palms together. And let's open those arms up to a high V. For 2 and 3, close the arms. And open. Pull back in the abs. Good. 1 more. And let's open. 2, 3. Close the arms and stay here. Let's challenge it even further, and let's twist the upper body to the right. The knees shift to the left, wringing out those abs. Bicep curl 3 times, bend. Exhale, reach. Work the opposition. Pull the abdominals away from the arms. Stretch it forward, pause. Back of the hands together, twist deeper, and bend. And reach. Nice, Camille. Bend. Exhale, reach. One more, and hold it there. Press the palms together, and let's open the arms for 3, 2, 1, and close. Notice how she's pulling her abs away from the arms. Last time. Close the arms. We roll right to the other side. Knees shift to the opposite side. Bicep curl. Bend it in. Really scoop it out. Good, Camille. Bend and reach. One more. Stretch it out and stay there. Reach the back of the hands together 3 times. In. Scoop it out. Bend it in. And reach. One more time. Let's press the palms together. Let's open the arms for 3, 2, 1. And close. Deepen those abdominals. Really wring out the abs. Last time. Open, open, open. Close. Come back to center and roll all the way up. Good job, Camille. That concludes our 10-minute Bikini Pilates ab workout. Join us on yummybodywear.com for more fun and challenging workouts. See you next time.